In this video, we're going to discuss how to apply the 80-20 rule to your business. What exactly is the 80-20 rule? Simply, it's 20% of whatever you're doing produces 80% of your results. In this case, we're going to say our income. Now, how can we apply this to flipping furniture and antiques and working at an antique booth? Basically, what I have done is I weeded out all the small projects that takes me a lot of time that I have little return on. And now I just focus on the bigger projects that give me better return in my time. Focus on the product that gives you the most profit and takes you the least amount of time to flip them. And you have less time invested and money. For me, I found that dressers and chest of drawers were my biggest money makers, and I could flip them quicker, more time, and it also didn't take me as long to paint them as it did other projects that took longer to sell, and I made about the same amount of money, such as dining sets and small end tables, nightstands, and things like that. That would take me about the same amount of time to paint as a dresser. I started weeding those out and focused only on dressers, unless I could get nice dining sets that need minimal work and only painting with chairs that I could sell for about $400 or $500. I really wouldn't mess with them that much because they take 3 times as long to sell for me anyways. So basically, I found I can paint a dresser in about an hour from start to finish, and it takes me about 30 minutes to do an end table or a chair that I will only get probably about $30 to $40 for, and a dresser I'll get over $100 for, up to $500 for a dresser, like a mid-century modern or a French provincial, which I can get anywhere between $300 to $500 for. And a dining set I can get between $300 to $500, but it takes me all day to painting a dining set. So go through your past records of your sales and find out what 20% of your items are making up 80% of your income, and focus on those products, and you'll see that you'll make more money during the month and you'll get more out of your time. If this video was helpful to you, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting more information that'll help you guys out to help you make more money and make a living doing this, or as a side income or side hustle that you'll make some really good money on the side with. And also, I have put a PayPal link if you don't mind making a donation. If you found any help out of this video, it'd be greatly appreciated so I can keep making these videos to help you guys out. Thank you, and have a great weekend and Memorial Weekend. And thank you, troops, for all that you've done. See you later.